just called from the garden, and I got you a fork to try.
Oh, you so nice.
That's so fancy.
It's like carrots.
It's beets. You want to try some?
Try a little bite.
Great.
Cashew cheese. Is that the cashew cheese that like stuff looks like hummus? It's actually good.
It's very good. Cashew cheese is delicious.
Yeah. It's like hummus.
It's like cheesy hummus.
So they did not put the pretty flowers on it like is in the picture though. Try one of those. Just try the whole thing.
Just one little bit. Is this black stuff not good, you said?
It just tastes like char something or another.
Oh, good. I'm glad it has like salt on it. Did you add the salt? Or no? Yeah.
I think it's the cheese stuff.
Really?
That's really good. That's the best baked cheese I've ever had.
Yeah.
Well,
Best baked cheese I've ever had. Good first stop. On to the next. Oh, look, there's your beets, Paige. That's where they grew your beets. In that wheelbarrow right there. Wildflower, honey.
That actually kind of looks good. With grapes and carrot. Ooh, carrot. Well, I think let's try it.
What is
It's only
it?
$4.50.
Puree.
That's what I'll do.
White cheddar cheese, charred vegetables. This one sounds good too.
Try it.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get that.
Okay. You got wine? You
Orange
fancy.
blossom honey wine.
Yum. Cheers.
Definitely taste honey in it though.
It's not bad. You don't like it?
It's actually pretty alright.
Pretty good.
Yeah, that is really good. It's very sweet.
How much was that?
Good cheer. $5.
How much was that?
That's it?
How much?
Right? $5.
Germany
So I was like,
Pavilion
alright.
charges me $7.50 for that one I get over there.
Not bad at all.
Sometimes you only get that much of a pour.
I'm scooting you.
Okay. Excuse me. Skirt.
Well,
Took a bite of it already.
how is it? Good?
Yeah. Is that a big bite of chicken? It's good.
I'm not a fan of carrots, so this should be interesting.
You don't like carrots? I love carrots. Is it good?
Not bad.
Oh, thanks. So this is carrot, rice,
Asparagus, grapes are good. Get the grapes. That's good.
I like the carrot a lot. What's the sweet, like crunchy stuff? We keep getting something that's crunchy. That? Oh, this. That's like peanut brittle or something. Yeah. Oh, it's sunflower brittle. That's awesome. That's really good.
Yeah? You wanna try this?
Yes. It's really good.
Yeah, that's good.
If I could eat it, I would.
Yeah, that's a lot better like
Good.
Right? If you get everything together, the like carrot earthy flavor with the sweet brittle.
There's a lot of rice. Have you tried some?
yeah.
Carrots are pretty sweet though, naturally.
This one's like chicken, tomatoes. I don't know what kind of sauce is on it.
Where's our book? So there's honey in the sauce that's on
I
here?
guess.
Yeah. Something was kind of spicy.
Yeah?
not like spicy, but just a little bit of spice.
That carrot puree on the bottom of that is banging.
I don't like carrots, but it's really not bad.
So, all in all, consensus?
I mean, I'm still eating.
Still eating? Lee's definitely still eating, so I think it's a win. Paige is getting this one. What'd you get?
That looks good.
Doesn't have the flowers on it either. It's got that stuff. Oh. I kind of want to get this spicy hot dog.
Do it. It's right there.
Oh, all right. I'll go get it. I didn't think I was gonna get an entire hot dog. That's awesome.
That's a pretty big hot dog.
And then I got a Coastal Empire Pina Goza.
A what?
Pina Goza. I thought it was gonna taste coconutty, but it really doesn't, and it's not really as good as I was hoping. But I'm sure you'll like it.
Okay.
Yeah, I will.
Thanks, babe.
It just tastes like a light beer.
Where do I want to build this at?
Yeah. What did you order?
Coastal Empire Beer Company.
That's because they gave you the IPA. They gave you the wrong beer.
Oh, did they?
Yeah. You guys gave my wife the wrong beer. She wanted the Goza, and that's the IPA, right?
Yeah, you want the...
She wanted the Goza beer. Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
It's like a spicy mustard. So it's hot dog, it's like a pineapple relish, spicy mustard, and then these like banana chips or plantain chips or something. Whoa, why are the hot dogs so red?
It's not an Oscar Mayer.
It's kind of spicy.
Yeah?
I don't know if it's the relish. Or no, it's probably the spicy mustard that's spicy.
Got the right beer now.
Yeah, the hot dog is a little spicy too. It's a spicy hot dog, spicy mustard, and then the sweet relish. Hot dog was delicious. And I forgot to tell you about the beer. He's double fisting it over here. But the beer, very good. If you like sours, really yummy. If you like coconut, like pina colada flavors, definitely go for it. Wonderful. I like both of those things, so I need to look up that brewery. It was in Georgia, I think, Savannah.
Was it?
Yeah, I think so. Coastal Empire Brewing, remember that. Yeah. Oh, here's another place. What do they have? I kind of want to try this farmhouse meatball. Looks good. This is the Impossible booth. So the meatball is actually Impossible meat. Lentil bread, spinach, marinated vegetables, and creamy herb dressing. That sounds so good. Oh, I thought it was like some kind of fruit something.
Got some fruit something on top.
Oh, all right. What you got?
A meatball.
Let me see that. Looks good.
Right? And it's on lentil bread.
Chocolate pudding. So it's got chia seeds on it.
Yes, definitely.
Tastes like meat.
Yeah?
Tastes like meat. That's crazy.
It's all plant-based, right?
Yeah, it's like a tomato. I think it's tomato-based something. Try a little piece of the meat by itself to see what it tastes like. Have you ever tried it before? Picture with your picture.
Wow.
Alright. Isn't that crazy?
That's almost more flavorful than like
Yeah.
ground hamburger. That's so good. That is.
That's good.
Like, we need to start getting that at home.
Here we go.
Go for it.
Figure out how to do this. Is that just a clove of garlic?
Pull that off.
Yeah, right? That is just
Ew.
a whole clove of garlic.
Yeah, bite into that sucker.
It's juicy and everything.
No, thank you.
That's crazy.
Does it taste like ground beef or like steak or?
Kind of like a steak more than anything. Like it tastes very like Worcestershire sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you make the you can get it at like where they use like ground meat and they like cube steak, but
Like
I
slice
know
it
what
up
you're
really
talking
thin.
about, yeah.
So if someone handed me this and told me it was a normal meatball, like a beef meatball, I would totally believe them. There's no way you can tell. It's so good. If anything, it's better than
I don't
The
know about
regular
that now. That's not better.
like a regular dry, gross meatball. Like this is
like
better.
Bad meatball, yeah. It's better than a bad meatball.
Not even a bad meatball, but just like a ground
No,
beef
that is
meatball.
really good though. Yeah.
I would rather have this than like a good ground beef meatball.
I mean, it depends on.
All right. Well, you like
I'm gonna
only
make
eat
you some
meat,
meatballs.
so
Oh, this is supposedly where they're gonna put the new Starbucks when they close down and tear those down.
puppy, puppy, puppy.
Yeah.
It's gonna be-
Ooh, look, they have all kinds of different. Ooh, they have the apple that's
Ooh. I was about to say, all of this stuff looks like you. I like the zipper pouch down there with the glitter in it. That's cute. And I really like those ears too.
Yeah, the cereal member too.
Really?
Yeah.
What's all this stuff down here?
It's probably what they use to go on the inside of them, just like the stuff they use to make topiary.
So a lot of people have been here for the last few days with us. Thank you so much. We appreciate you. We're playing again tomorrow. It's our last day. We always love being here. Thank you, Disney, for having us. Such a cool show. Anybody here travel from far away to be here today? Awesome. Residency. Australia, mate. It's amazing. Sound right. That's like the only accent I could kind of do. Hello. No. Nar. I love Australia. Love it. Anybody else from somewhere cool? Where? Mexico. Oh yeah. I love your tequila. It's so good. This song's called When I'm Gone. It's a move your booty kind of song. Or put your hands up kind of song like this. I look around me, and all I
Bonjour. We need a little pit stop. Hola. Where are you from, lady?
not France.
We made a pit stop in France. We went back to this little bakery. I got some lobster bisque because it's kind of chilly out and I wanted something warm. This is the same lobster biscuit that they serve at the restaurant up in the front, but this is like 4 something, and you can just walk in at any time and get it, and it is delicious. Yeah. Paige got chocolate mousse and a meringue. You're probably gonna have to bite it.
Do it.
Oh my god, look at that.
What?
Let me see the inside. Wow. Lee's never had a meringue.
Never had meringue.
It's good, huh?
It is like marshmallow.
Yeah.
But like if you made marshmallow into like a foam. Like a styrofoam.
A styrofoam?
That's what I was thinking of.
Yeah, it's like that consistency. Not that I've ever eaten styrofoam before.
Like those foam boards that you
Sure.
Yeah, just like the inside of those. So that's what poster board tastes like.
It's good though.
Oh, look at how chocolate chips inside of it.